You don't have to be a professor to enjoy this light and approachable take on a Manhattan style drink, but with brandy. So we're gonna go in with 45 ml of our cognac, then 20 ml of sweet vermouth, then a couple of dashes of our trusty Angostura bitters. Then we're just gonna fill up our mixing glass with ice and give it a stir. Sort of just when you can start to feel a little bit of chill on the outside there. And for this one, it's generally sort of a martini glass or a coupe glass, but I'm gonna go kind of a bit of the more old school brandy balloon because I had one and it seemed fun given the subject. You can pretend we're professors with the little leather arm patches on, you know. Then just about 30 ml or kind of a scoosh of soda water, maybe even a little bit less. And then this one just gets a little orange twist, so pop that over the top and then trim it down. And there we have our Harvard. Yeah, it's really interesting because it's got that real Christmas cake vibe, especially with the orange over the top there. You're expecting something really quite rich and intense, but then just that little like spritz of bubbles kind of leads you into something that's actually a bit softer and way more approachable, I think, than most kind of rye-based Manhattans and things like that. Yeah, delicious. I'm glad that one worked out. So now you know.